Hey, this is Carlos from Bitware here. Today what I'm showing is our liquid-cooled demo system. In it you can see we have our XUPVVP board. This one is the VU13P flavor of FPGA on it. We're running our power glob test and trying to draw as much power as we can. For this demo you can see we're drawing about 322 amps on the FPGA from the core, with it at 56C, maintaining 56C. The power supplies themselves, the 6 of them listed here on the BW monitor, you can see is between 72 and 84 degrees C. So the way the liquid flows here is you have the cold liquid comes in first, cools off the FPGA, then gets funneled up here across the 6 power supplies and then out to the cooling unit. For this demo, what we did is we set them up with some quick disconnects. So as you can see here, I'll quickly disconnect it, and you'll see that the temperature of the FPGA core is going to start going up very quickly. So we'll plug it back in. As you can see, the temperature goes right back down. On here, what we're running is a VU13P Xilinx FPGA, and because of our customer needs, they required a lot more power. This board was built from the ground up to be able to provide a lot of power and cooling. What we did is we supplied it with 300 amps of core to the FPGA, and then because we're drawing so much power, we had to find a way to cool it, and that's why we incorporated the liquid cooling into the board itself. So we're able to easily, at 320 amps here, we're able to easily cool the FPGA. We've gotten it up to about 400 amps at about the max, and we were still way under, definitely under 70 or 80 C on the FPGA. And the supplies themselves were still cool.